In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Vimeo videos. If you've been looking to enhance your videos with the perfect soundtrack, you're in the right place. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide to help you smoothly add music to your Vimeo creations. First things first, begin by signing in to your Vimeo account. You want to be sure you're logged in so you have full access to your video settings and editing tools. Once you're in, navigate to the video you'd like to edit. Whether it's a newly uploaded creation or an existing video in your library, this is where the magic begins. Now that you've chosen your video, look for the option to edit. You can usually find this under your video's settings. Click on Edit Video or open the video editor, depending on what the interface offers you. This will take you into a more detailed view of your video, where you can make various adjustments and enhancements. Inside the editor, direct your attention to the left side panel. Here, you should see a section labeled Audio or possibly Music Audio Track. This is the area we'll focus on to incorporate music into your video. When it comes to adding music, you have two main options. First, you can select a track from Vimeo's royalty-free music library. This is a great way to find music that is immediately available and suited for video production without copyright concerns. To do this, you can browse the available options, hover over each track to preview it, and once you've found something you like, simply click to add it to your video. Alternatively, if you have your own music or audio file that you personally own or have the rights to, Vimeo allows you to upload this directly into the editor. Accepted formats like MP3, WAV, and OGG are typical choices. Keep in mind, Vimeo requires confirmation that you own or have licensed the audio content to ensure everything is above board legally. With your chosen music now added to the timeline, you have several options to fine-tune its integration with your video. You can trim or extend the music track's duration to align perfectly with the length of your video, ensuring it complements beautifully without abrupt starts or ends. Additionally, you can adjust the volume to balance it with other audio elements or create fade-ins and fade-outs for a more polished audio transition. If your project requires even more precision, you can split the audio into segments, granting you detailed control over each part. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding music to your Vimeo video. With these steps, you'll be able to give your content the auditory flair it deserves, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Don't forget to preview the final product to ensure everything sounds just right before sharing it with the world.